Okay, so just like my VNDS page, my Clannad page is now separate from that big, visual novel fan page that I was working on. But it has like the same differences where it doesn't have the sidebars to navigate through the different pages because this is the only page, and it's renamed index as well. I've gotten rid of the images from the other pages, and also there's no components since the way I kind of like using them is if it's going to be reused, then and it's the same across where it's going to be reused, then it's a component. But obviously, there's only one page on this, so it's not a component. But with that, this is also a very different page in the aspect that it's not the same. If I go to here and I'll go uh, here, I'm just gonna scroll all the way up to the top. See here, this has all of this, so like the why I like visual novel, anime, movie, manga, all that stuff. But on this, it only goes up to the anime section or the visual novel section because I haven't finished these yet, and it's probably I don't know when that's going to happen. It's probably not going to happen for a while. I've got other stuff that I want to work on more that I think is kind of more in tune with developing my skills. And whereas this, the only part of it that's not done is the fact that I haven't rewatched the anime, and you know, so I can't write reviews on it. So to me, that's a time-consuming thing that doesn't really help with the skills. It just completes the page more or less. So I just basically decided to make the separate page with what I have done, and then whenever I get around to this, I'm going to just add it here, which is a very simple thing because I kept all the images for those sections, but I just haven't put it in here yet, and I'm gonna put it in here, when it's done. So I still have that, I still get to have it as a separate page, and there is quite a bit of content. It looks a lot shorter on the page because all of these root sections are collapsed, but you can open them, and obviously, you're gonna read it if you want to. So it is more content than the page looks, and I'll show that in a second. But still, this is just something that I'm basically done with this for now, so I wanted to, make it separate and then I'll update it whenever. But I'd say the visual novel page as a whole and this clan ed section as well is on hold basically because I just have more important things that I want to do relating to programming. Plus, I'm still happy because I got I have at least one complete page from this uploaded, and then I have this, which is complete as is, but there's definitely more to be added to it eventually. And I'm gonna show it here now that I have that. See, it's basically the same, but like I said, no header, no side icons because the there's no other pages to go to, and yeah, and also I had separate CSS pages for each page. Like I had a main one that has styles that is used by everything, but then I had separate ones. But now obviously there's one page, so it's all mashed into one. But yeah, I just wanted to show this off. Basically say that now this is complete. Well, complete as is, I suppose is the kind of way to say it, and that the visual novel page is on hold because I got better things I want to do, and I have some cool things that are going to be coming up. That there's some stuff that I'm working on that's it's almost done, but there's a lot more testing, and then I have videos of stuff that I completed a long while ago that I'm wanting to do videos on as well. But yeah, that's it for this one, and see you next time.